so today I'm going to be showing you how to use some of the features on Evergreen. So I'm just going to start by doing a search. So I'm going to search for Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and I'm searching for books. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on the first book that popped up here. So Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown. And it's just showing me what normally, Evergreen shows when you click on a title. But I am going to scroll down, and there is an option to click awards, reviews, and suggested reads. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and show you this feature. All right, so it starts out by showing you other books in the series. So if you don't know what order they're in, or if you want to know how many books there are, it's got them in order for you, which is really nice. But it also shows you similar titles, authors, and series. So say you really liked Diary of a Wimpy Kid and you want to read something like it. It shows you similar titles. You can click on it and it tells you why this title. So it says they're both funny journals about young adolescents. So, you might like Dork Diaries too. And it tells you, other books as well, why you might like this title. It does the same thing with similar authors. So it tells you why this author, why you might like him. And then it also does similar series. So, and then it'll also tell you why you might like that series. And if you scroll a little bit more, you can even look for similar books through story elements. So, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, it's saying it's character driven. So maybe I want to try to search other books that are character driven. So I click on that and it's going to show me other books that are also character driven. And so it even tells you the age range for 9 to 12. So I can scroll through those. Or maybe I want books that have a relatable character like Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So once again, click on relatable. And it shows me books that also have relatable characters. Same with genre. Maybe I want first-person narratives. And it shows me other first-person narratives. Once again, for ages 9 to 12. It'll also tell you about this book, so there's that option in case you just want a summary. And then if you keep scrolling, go back to that. It also has the accelerated reader level. So it's 5.2. It's for middle grades, 4 through 8. So I can even search books that are similar to that reading level. So 5.2 middle grades search. So it's showing me other titles that are that similar book level of 5.2. So it's the selected book level and it's middle grade. So it's showing me other books like that. And it also, if you use Lexile, there's an option to search that way for other books. And if you scroll down at the very bottom, it shows you how many awards it's won. How many awards Diary of a Wimpy Kid has won, sorry. And it also shows you the books list from novelists that the book is on. So I think this is just a really nifty feature that can help you if you're searching for similar titles. So you really like Diary of a Wimpy Kid and you want something similar to it. If you go to awards, reviews, and suggested reads, you have all of these tools to help you find a very similar series. All right. I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.